And who's going to start?
Kruti.
Why am I the first one? Okay.
Because when you come, your screen lighted up.
My name is Kruti. I'm 23 years old, and my experience with the workshop was amazing. This is the first time ever I've attended a workshop related to sleep or sleep counseling, and it was an amazing experience. I got to learn so much about techniques and tools which are not very conventional, which are not very regular. So it was a great 2-day experience for me. And my biggest takeaway would be, it would be like the new techniques. So like the soft C model or the Betty Erickson model of induction or meditation. That would be my takeaway.
All right. Thank you. Who's going next?
Can I? Okay. So my name is Veronica Thakur. I'm 21 years old, and I like this workshop a lot because I got to learn so many new techniques and enjoy it practically. I got to do it practically, not just in writing. So I think that was nice. Also, my takeaway would be the technique part only. I got to learn so many new techniques. So that.
All right. Thank you, Veronica. And I think Madhur remains.
So my name is Dr. Madhur Rathi. I'm a psychiatrist based in Hyderabad, and I was actually looking for something of this sort, some workshop of this sort, because I come across a lot of patients having sleep issues, and I personally don't prefer writing medications in the first visit when somebody comes for sleep issues, because generally it's something else that is causing the sleep issues. So I was actually looking for a workshop of this sort, and it actually helped me because now after doing this workshop, I was working with people with some other modalities, but after going through this workshop, I exactly know how do I have to do it session by session, which is something that I was looking for. Otherwise, knowing everything and not knowing how to break it down would actually make it difficult to help somebody. And so it honestly feels very nice to now having done this workshop, because now I know that I have the skill set that is needed to help my patients in a better way. So looking forward to more workshops of this sort.
All right. And Madhur, your takeaway?
My takeaway is that session by session breakdown and the Betty Erickson technique, because I have been myself through a lot of closed eye process, but I never knew how to actually start it or how to actually do it. So that's why I ended up on the Ichars website but then came across sleep counseling, and now I would just take in everything that comes my way. There's so much to take away more.
Yes. I won't say it's a tip of the iceberg, but it's somewhere there. All right.
It's a box of sweets.
All right.